You see the ad scrolling through your feed, a sleek, metallic ring that promises to track every heartbeat, every step, and it costs next to nothing. Your thumb hovers over the buy button. It looks high-end, sophisticated, like the future wrapped around your finger. But wait, before you hand over your hard-earned cash, we need to look at what is actually happening behind the scenes of the Korvica smart ring. The site is flashing red lights, and not the good kind. We are talking about a trust score of exactly 1%. 1% out of 100. That is not just a low grade. That is a flat-out warning. When you peel back the layers of this beautiful digital storefront, you find nothing but smoke and mirrors. Our research into the background of this site shows some incredibly shady details. We looked at the hosting, the location, the hidden data, and it all points to a massive setup. It feels like a ghost ship. The technology they claim to use is buried under layers of generic text. There is no real person at the helm here. Most of these sites use the same template, the same stolen images, and the same empty promises to lure you in. You think you are getting a piece of cutting-edge wearable tech, but what you are really doing is throwing money into a black hole. It is a classic trap. They target people looking for a deal, people who want the prestige of a smart device without the heavy price tag. But the math just does not work. High-quality sensors, microcircuitry, stable connectivity, those things have a real cost. If a site is selling them for pennies on the dollar, something is wrong. Very wrong. We checked the popularity of the domain, and it is virtually non-existent. No one is talking about their successful purchases. No one is posting unboxing videos of a working product. All you find are warnings. It is vital to do your own manual research, but the evidence here is overwhelming. These operators hide their identity. They use anonymous hosting, and they disappear the moment enough people complain. It is a cycle of deception. If you have already interacted with the site, you know the sinking feeling, the lack of a confirmation email, the silence from customer support, the realization that your package is never coming. It is not just about the money. It is about the violation of your privacy. We see these scams pop up every single day. But this one is particularly aggressive with its marketing. They want you to act fast. They want you to ignore your gut instinct. Do not do it. Stay away from the flashy ads for this specific ring. There are legitimate brands out there. Brands with a history and real customer reviews. This is not one of them. The 1% score tells you everything you need to know. It is a digital shell game. Protect your data. Protect your bank account. And always check the credibility of a shop before you click pay. The internet is full of these traps, and they're getting better at looking real. But a polished photo does not mean a solid product. It is all a facade designed to take your money. Keep your eyes open, and do not let a shiny piece of jewelry blind you to the reality of a scam. You have to be your own detective in this digital age. Look for the contact page. Check the physical address. If it leads to a parking lot or a field, you had your answer. These sites often use fake countdown timers to pressure you. They tell you stock is low. They say the sale ends in 10 minutes. This is all artificial urgency. Slow down. Breathe. Look at the facts. A 1% trust rating is a death sentence for a retail site. Don't be the next victim of a clever marketing campaign. Your security is worth more than a cheap gadget. Be careful out there.